On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. Participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Yeah. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
I'm not centered. Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Bitcoin flying. Holy smokes. Are we going to continue upwards? Are we going to go down? Who really cares? We'll make money either way. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful Monday. Was it a false move Monday? We'll get into that. We got some JOLTS job openings today in ISM services, and the market is frothy, baby. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's jump into the chat. What's going on, gang? Look at all these legends, man. Good morning. I don't want to get long right now, I'm not going to lie, but we are in Golden Pocket 786 territory. A little bit of a rejection. Big little red candle here, so a little bit of patience right now. Hopefully you're all doing well. What did Claude say? Claude said, I'm trying to implement AI into my trading. I sent them the chart. Looking at the 12-minute Bitcoin chart, bullish case, more likely, in my opinion. The orange ascending trend line has been respected consistently. Price bounced off of it multiple times and is still riding above it. Price is consolidating in the 80,800 area range after the push-up, which looked like a bull flag. The structure is higher or less. Do you guys even like, I mean, AI is just, I'm trying to implement it. Like I always keep a screen down below here with Claude, and I always try to like ask it some questions. I find I'm better. Not out of ego. Just out of like ego. No? Anybody? You find it's just a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo and they really just don't know what they're talking about. What I'm trying to do is train AI on my videos from the Discord. Now this is the challenge, right? It's got a lot of digesting to do, strategy wise and setup wise, in order to, I think, build an idea around my strategy, which is going to be interesting over time. Obviously, if you're not using AI, you're getting replaced by people who use AI, right? So it's interesting. You got to participate. I mean, that's how we got the indicator. I spent days, weeks, months on this indicator, which is And then I made this one, which was pretty simple. This one's pretty simple, but I'll be sharing that with all of you guys who sign up with the link. Blah 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 blah. I've realized I need to shut up about the link and start trading more, because fuck the link. We're here to make money. You guys can use the link if you want. A pretty aggressive candle coming down in this morning. We'll see where we get to. Let's say good morning to everybody as well. How you guys doing? Good morning, Ben George. Nairo, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Assad. Mob the Great, Aaron, Curtis Hill, Sri and Pandy, Angela, Curtis Hill, my man. Good to see you guys, man. It's been too long. Sri Ann, my man. Alexander G, hopefully you're doing well from that week detox of live streams. I mean, you've been putting up with us for so long. I don't know how you do it. We're coming into my favorite pattern right now, which is a symmetrical triangle. I don't fox with these things, man. Breakout, retest, aggressive move through VWAP, continuation up only, trading. This says higher, man. This says higher. Like, I mean, I got long here. I didn't get long here, unfortunately. I gave the Solana long here. This thing, I mean, fake out SFP, dump back down. That would have been a short. Stopped out in profits, or, yeah. 3 drives up at the highs right now. Boop. Bear div. Yeah, it's still, we have a mitigation of the low, but every time we distribute, guys, every time we distribute, look at this shit. You don't have to be, it's failing to dump it. Every time it's failing to dump it. And the ETF inflows right now are hella bullish. There's big buyers stepping up right now. The FOMO is real for these institutions. They're like, 30,000 Bitcoin. My God, I should have been buying at 60. I would have been up 20%. They do talk like that too. Okay. Yeah, so overextended right now. Am I supposed to say rotation down so we can all long? Yeah, 3 drives, retest, golden pocket 786, upwards trend line here, being retested as well. Not a big fan of this, really. I'm probably just going to get rid of it, because I think sometimes a trend line can really skew your price action interpretation. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense, right? Well, like, you got a line on the chart. You want it to have significance until it doesn't. We have broken that line. So are we looking for down? I prefer just... Trends are trends. So if you have like a trend, that's cool, right? However, when you break that trend and you're looking for this thing and stuff like that, it's very much where do you put the trend line? And that's always... It gets a little bit messy, okay, in my opinion. The only valid trend line right now, in my opinion, would be this one. This guy right here. Okay? And this is what we call momentum in the Discord. This allows you, so like let's say you get long in here somewhere. This allows you to hold the trade. You take your first higher low, allows you to hold the trade until it's broken. So it stops you from closing out the trade on this little pullback or this little pullback or this little pullback, right? It allows you to hold this trade with some conviction, which is a lot of people's problem. A lot of people don't know how to hold trades longer. I struggled with that a lot when I first started trading. Even into a couple years into my trading, I eventually had to like just remove myself, which is what I do a lot now. Like even last night, I take TP1. I got long right here. I took TP1 and I let it run. And I trailed my stop loss. I went for a walk with my family. I trailed my stop loss. And I got stopped out right here for money. Cha-ching! Right? Happy days. Happy days. It's very important. Yeah. This doesn't want to stop, guys. This is just up only. And our next target's 82,000, basically. 82,000 is on the table today. Don't get it twisted. 3 drives, no distribution. Bearish divergence, no distribution. 3 drives, a little bit of a distribution, failing to make a lower low. Up, up, up. Correct? Yeah. So in this environment, generally, what are we looking for? This guy, violence. We're looking for them to come back and, everybody FOMOing long, and they're going to send it up, but we need to see them come back down in order for them to send it up. That's kind of the thought, right? It's always like, where's the trap? How do we trade it, right? Nasdaq doesn't give a shit either. Look at this, guys. This is this is something, baby. Let's go. I guess that stupid invert in the Discord we drew at this inverted head and shoulders to the moon, and guess what? It's to the moon. Sometimes it's that simple, guys. Sometimes it is. Okay. What's going on, chat? How's everybody doing today? How was your trading last week? I never got to ask you. It was kind of a panic stream yesterday with all the goodies of showing up late. Welcome back to the office, and 180 people here waiting. You guys are incredible, man. I do appreciate your support. How you doing, Shreyan? Vinny, good to see you. Good morning. Look at the Nasdaq this morning, guys. This is... Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I want to say congratulations. I'm in no trades right now. Just chilling. Bitcoin don't care right now. Asia is on fire, baby. Mojo Jojo, what's going on? Good to see you. Cool Marge. Good morning. Catbread. Morning, y'all. Good to see you. G1, Rebellious. My guys, my gals, if there's any gals in here. They say 7% of my audience is female. I think they're men who've just clicked that they're female. Maybe they I won't go down that avenue. I'm not going to go down there. It's too early to go down the shemale avenue, okay? Trace, what's going on? Aaron, Ashunts, Jojo, Steve Hickey, my man. How you doing? DB, Froth Dog, Billionaire. Keen Bean, Al, what's going on? It's way too early to go down that tranny train. We'll call it a tranny train. We're not going to go down the tranny train. Shuns, Aaron, good morning. Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. Salute, Frost Dog. Good to see you, Al. Soft Shell. Good morning, Steve Hickey. How's that ENA trade? I think everybody was talking about the ENA trade given by one of our traders, Wave Cipher, in the Discord. Oh, baby. Did he give it here? Oh, yeah, it's flying. I mean, we've been printing. I mean, look at the bit tensor trade I gave. I mean, there's the swing trades. Guys, Ondo, bro. I called Ondo so well. I'm just saying. Brett, full TP hit. Army Piper, are you proud of me, man? I gave a Brett long trade for 20%, bro. Can you believe that? Injective as well with the retrace. I gave it here, and I gave another one to everybody here. 26%. I'm just spoon feeding. It's my job. Dash is coming into a key area right now. No, didn't bounce it. SFP. We'll see. Even my degen ass can trade some shit coins, baby. Okay? We ain't closing that tab. I mean, I'll scalp all day, but when you've recognized, so this is the thing, you got to recognize, okay? When you've recognized that Bitcoin has done this, okay? When you recognize, okay, that Bitcoin has done this, you can look at alts, okay? This is why the family, the Otter gang, we all sat down and we looked at some altcoins together to take advantage of this move. Okay? When you've recognized this, you got to recognize, okay? When you've recognized this, then you can trade a shitcoin. You don't want to trade a shitcoin in here. I mean, you go and you look at whatever you want to look at. What were you saying? Ondo. Look at Ondo until now. Do you want to fucking trade this? I mean, good range. Great range. 16% range. But look at this. You see the difference? When you recognize, okay? When you recognize, you don't have to deal with this shit. You can get this shit. Now, this is the shit, right? Just saying. That's called experience. That's why the Discord's the best. Even the scalp trader in the Discord can teach you guys how to swing trade. Who would have thought? I mean, I got to toot my horn because I'm on the micro penis time frames, right? We're here to scalp. Cash, what's going on? Good to see you, Froth Dog. Cash Oak, Run the Mouse, Soft Shelf, FJ Trading. And then there's FJ Trading, who's like the swing trading master in the Discord. Absolute fire-breathing dragon at swing trades. Did you just hit more TPs? Probably. Didn't you hit like a TP4? Yeah, you did. Look at this. 1300%. Talk about swinging dick trade. Holy smokes, FJ. Guys. Oh, don't give them the signals. Entry was reached. TP1 for SFP. I mean, Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. Sorry for saying swinging dick in the morning. It's too early, I know. J Violet, good morning. Good to see you. FJ Cash Oak, Wayne Rosie. My man Wayne, good to see you. Chris, Save the Republicans. Good morning. Archie TV, good morning. The AlexOCrypto. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Good to see you. Good to see you, Chris. Save. Miller, Big Buck, good morning. The only thing I require is a good morning, guys. There's 220 people in here, and that's why we go through and say good morning and prepare. Bearish divergence up at the highs right now. Army Piper. Western Union launched global stablecoin. It's built on Solana. Bro, everything is getting built on Solana. Haven't you seen this, guys? I told you I'm a Solana bull. Okay, look. We got Stripe payments. We got PayPal. Western Union. Guys, I'm just saying. They don't want the friction of Ethereum. You see, there's friction because you got to go to a layer 2. There's no friction on Solana. It's just straight ripping, baby. It's quick. So the spoon means long. Well, we're against trend right now, right? So the spoon is, up for interpretation, really, right? Because we're in an uptrend. So we could short here, but you're against trend. So the number one rule with the indicator is long, right? Is trend. You got to have trend on your side. And in this environment, you have up only price action. So you're looking for bottoming structure and continuation out, right? Like if you're trying to short in here, you're looking for small retracements, right? Right. So you get a sign here, small retracement, small retracement. This is for scalping. Okay. In here, you're waiting for this to turn up, really. Right. So you're getting a couple of divergences in here, a couple of little scalps, but really you're waiting for this thing to. Does this look like reversal structure? No, this looks better, right? Strength in the move. You want to jump on trend here. And then you can see that here. So do we short here? We could. This is a 786. If we go swing high to swing low, swing high to swing low, we go into here, 786 golden pocket. Liquidity in the highs here. We could short here. I mean, do we really want to fade this right now? We'll see, man. We'll see. We do have Jolt's job openings today. Should be fun, everybody. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Looks like a textbook support and resistance flip. Okay. Mark Dutch, my man. How you doing, Mark? Alan, good morning. Hell yeah. Good to see you as well. Marine Mike, good morning, man. Great long yesterday. Do you wish you held it? Mike, did you get long here? Off the live stream yesterday? Live stream, I spoon-fed everybody. Right here. I gave the long for everybody right here. You guys all got spoon-fed yesterday. Don't lie. Say thank you, Alex, for spoon-feeding me and not taking the trade your damn self. Thank you, Alex. I don't mind you guys saying thank you. Or you can just say, shut up, man. We're already here hanging out, man. We put up with you enough. You're too busy talking about how you're so short you have a footstool underneath your desk. That's what we were talking about yesterday. Is the footstool underneath the desk to keep my circulation going. Don't wink at me if you're just teasing. You guys love my footstool, okay? I'm switching to swing. You're a swinger now, FJ. Ooh. I heard you're European too. That's hot. Big swinging ticks, yeah, exactly. How did you know that was the time that Ondo would break out after the long consolidation? Because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's daddy, right, Rick? Right? So Bitcoin's daddy. So when Bitcoin is consolidating sideways in an accumulation, right? And then Bitcoin breaks major trend line after distributing down. Full golden pocket, swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high. All right, full golden pocket retracement. And then it has a macro trendline break, trendline flip, higher low, and a break of that high. Okay, when we get that, right, so we come down and get rid of all of this Etch-a-Sketch on my screen. Right? Then we get this. So we come down, we break this, but we get this bottoming structure, break of the high, and break of the internal high as well. Okay? We are off to the races. That means that we are looking for this thing to come to here minimum, but most likely to come back for all these shorts who think they're safe. Right? Which is what we're doing right now. So when we can recognize this, and altcoins are doing this, we go to the altcoins that look the best, right? That's what we did. I went and looked at all the meme coins. They all were a little bit overextended except for Brett. Brett looked like it was ready to go. Right? We have our list here. Right? We were looking at Arrow. We were looking at, Virtual. Virtual is still playing out right now, right? But everything was consolidating. And then we implement good technical analysis with big-ass stop losses and big-ass targets. Because we look for the same move on the altcoins. Because we look for money to rotate from Big Daddy Bitcoin dominance into shitcoins. Right? And we don't go down the rabbit hole to like the shittiest shitcoins. We were looking at BitTensor because it has very good momentum. However, it had that sell-off, FUD. Right? It took a while, but it got there, right? And then we implement same strategies, same technical analysis, except we accommodate it for a 4-hour time frame. That's it. And off to the races we go. For me, it's like swing trades are like a side hustle, right? I'll put like $3,000 on spot on a lot of them, right? And I'll, nice 20% on spot is pretty sweet, man, when you got enough cash, right? So that's typically how I do it. I look for the momentum, I look for the rotation, I look for Bitcoin to lead with strength, and I look for other things to follow suit. Good morning, Curbstar. Good to see you, Max. JR, my man. How you doing? Mark Dutch, my man. One way, good to see you, man. How you doing? This chart is very ugly, though. If we're being honest about Bitcoin, what it looks like right now is absolute manipulation. They're trying to send it higher. They're failing to distribute it down. Look at this. Like, this was weekend. So weekend was like fake out, fake out, fake out into futures open pump. Right here, futures open pump, dump, and then continuation overnight. Into market open dump. Yesterday we gave long here. So we distributed, but we failed to break the low here. So we get continuation up here, distribute here, failed to break down here, distribute here, failed to break down here, and we just keep marching up. Right? Buyers are clearly in control. Here we go again. Wild. Good times, man. Easy money. Just jump on trend properly. Get rid of this guy. Here's our SFP of the high. Continuation up, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Let's go, baby. Good job, everybody. Lava Man, good to see you back. Sam, bad. Good morning. Stuart, C. Chris, soft shell. FJ. J Violet, Froth Dog, pew pew pew. Lots of pew pews. What's the pew pews in the chat for? Pew pew pew. All right. Gender is so overrated. Come on, man. Even my son, he just goes. He started going lady and man. So he points at people and goes lady. He can even tell who's a man and a lady. I mean, he's not even 21 months old. He goes lady, right? He's gonna hand out some. People are gonna get offended. Steve Hickey, good to see you. Hat Have, Marine Mike, out at 80,700. Nice, man. That's a great trade, bro. What's Gucci, fam? Not my clothing, but hanging out here, man. Trading, waiting, kicking ass, taking names. Thank you for being here, bro. Footstools and phone books. That's the way, man. That's the way. I mean, until NVIDIA broadcast has something that can make me larger than life, you know, I'm going to be stuck here with my phone book. I'm old school that way, though. Yellow pages, looking it all up. I can be a grower and a shower, you see. I got up extra early today after the embarrassment of yesterday. I like being like, if I was to make myself right size, though, for this stream, like this would be, like, you guys see Jason Casper's like this big on screen. That would be me beside Jason Casper. I should just stream like this. Who's this midget in the corner? He's the guy. This is who you're trading against, by the way. Good to see you end that. Marine Mike, Steve Hickey, Wayne C, my man, Rick. Thank you. Thank you for being here, Rick. Curbstar. So the rule on alts 4-hour TA? No, so I do 4-hour TA into the 1 hour and confirm on the 15-minute. Okay, so you should always have confirmation time frames. So you guys see me, I trade on the 3-minute, 12, 24 with macro trend. Okay, that's how I trade scalping. Okay, look at this thing up only. Right, so if you enter on the 15-minute, you typically want to use like the 1 hour. If you execute on the 1 hour, you typically want to use the 4. If you use the 4, you typically want to use the daily, right? Like you want to have your where you do your analysis, and then you get into the micro penis time frame relevant to that, right? Because that's where you want to execute your entries on, right? Because if you have, this is just up only, guys. So if you have, you know, structure, let's just do structure. And let's say you want a long here. Let's say you want a long here, right? So on a 4-hour time frame, your next significant low might be all the way down here, right? So you might be looking for this trade. However, if you can go into a smaller term time frame in this section right here, and you can get structure like this, right? Confirming that low, your stop loss can be like this. Now, who doesn't like taking a trade with a higher R multiple, right? Hold up, let me take some Viagra. Okay, we're back. Right? Instead of having to trade like this, you can trade like this. You can even give it a little bit of wiggle room, right? That's the idea. Does that make sense? That's as simple as I can keep it. All right, got a bunch of longs in here. ES is pumping. I saw the... Does that make sense, Curbstar? But if we're going to trade shitcoins, we want confirmation on Bitcoin. We're not just going to willy-nilly just jump into whatever, right? Hands, long from VWAP. Nice, long from VWAP. I wasn't up for that. Swag, good to see you, bro. Soft shell F-bomb, good to see you. You said Jason's name and he goes live. I love Jason, man. Jason's good human. I hope one day I get to meet him and he can just curl me, right? You just pick me up and just start doing preachers, man. Just killing me with the preacher curls. Oof. Stop whining, AlexOCrypto. Stop whining. When I went and played blackjack with Crypto Face, he was just like, "Hello, Crypto." Love it, man. What a fucking legend. Love that guy. Shout out to Crypto Face. Absolute legend. Good human. He's like Beetlejuice. Yeah, don't shrink me. Good morning, Miss Teen Crypto. I never saw you at the conference. Pretty upset about that. You know, what the hell? I was there. I got pictures with Frankie Candles. I even got a Frankie Candles hat. I even got a Frankie. If I just put on the Frankie Candles hat, could I pull it off? Bing bong. There we go. How am I doing? Shout out to Frankie Candles, man. I just looked down. All right, bing bong. All right, we got volume profile. We're going to go. Okay, guys. Oh, that's my wife's hand. Oh, isn't that Jess? Can I get some candles in the chat for Frankie Candles? Send some love to Frank. Bing bong. Someone clip this and send it to him. God bless you, Frank. He's a lot taller than me, and he has great calves. Bing bong. Tony D gave me this hat, but it was nice meeting Frank as well. Miss Teen Crypto still hasn't met Baby Otter. So I got to sniff the hand? I don't... Yeah. Talk fast, please. Sniff the hand. Yeah, Frank's a good guy, man. But we do have Otter Gang hats, so I can't wear the false advertisement, you know. We got Otter Gang hats, which are OGs, man. I don't know. I think our swag's cooler, but I'm biased. This thing's ripping, guys. When do I get into a trade? NASDAQ ripping. ES ripping. I need to blow my nose. 1 second. I can't believe I didn't have any Kleenex in my wanking chair yet. Up only right now. All right. Guys, this is flying. This is flying. We should have hammered the long. Tell me you've never analyzed a full bear market price structure without telling me you've never analyzed a full bear market price structure. Go study relief rallies and do better. That's it, right? That's it. The OG polo yesterday is a nice shirt. Yeah. Piper likes the polo too. It's embroidered. It's nice. Thanks, Piper. Yeah, like, I mean, if you're in a bear market, which we've all agreed we are in a bear market, right? And you haven't gone, like, and you're a day trader and you want to understand how price action behaves and you haven't gone and looked at this, at this, at this. Okay? If you haven't studied these and see how they behave, even this, okay? You got work to do, right? You got work to do. That's all I got to say, man. Like you need to go and zoom in and see what happens, right? When you get these rallies, right? You need to know, right? Because I can go into here and I can pull this thing up and I can say, hey guys, we're here, we're here, we're here, we're here, right? What if we're here, guys? What if we're just right here? What do you think? Looks pretty similar, doesn't it? Just saying, oh, maybe we're here. Maybe we still got this guy. I would be more on the side of this guy, right? I'd be more on this team here than team here. But doesn't matter where we're at. It just matters how we trade it, right? But when we understand this price action, we understand how to recognize what this is doing. That's the key. Is we understand what happens here is vital to us making money here. That's it. Because we understand the assignment. Look. What happens every time? Okay? Every time. Do you want me to keep going? This one was why I bought Bitcoin. Anyways, I digress. We're flying right now, guys. Was that a good enough lesson, Piper? Piper knows. Piper knows how to swing trade like a boss. Now we're back. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Bitcoin's ripping. Coming up for the highs. Failed distribution. 3 drives. Failed distribution. SFP of the high coming for it right now. Up only price action. Continuation. Yes. Overextended. Yes. Are we shorting it? No. Are we longing it? Not right here. The long was like literally as we were starting the stream. And off it runs. Off it runs. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Exactly. Train yourself to make money and position regardless of price action. AlexOCrypto trades. The Piper Plan Dynamic DCA combo is untouchable. That's it. When are you just gonna merge with our Discord? I'm still waiting, bro. Anyways. I'm still waiting. Let me know. You can see on MACD weekly. Bear flag, then there's a death cross. Yeah, there's many ways to tell. There's many telling indicators. It's very, this time is different. Yeah. Look at all these hearts. You guys are cute, man. Thanks for the hearts, man. God bless you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Thank you guys for liking the stream and subscribing. 333 people. 333. I guess we got a shout out to Crypto Lifer today. 333. Look at that. Who would have thought? We got 333 of you in here. Thank you. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. It's truly a privilege to come out and trade with you guys. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's the job here. We come here. We trade live every single day. Trying to help you guys navigate the charts. We do have a whole plethora of maybe they're pumping into jobs. That's kind of my thought. So we got jobs openings. Okay. Forecast is 6.9. Consensus 8.3. So we'll see. We don't want to see this bad. But if we see it bad, there's more reason to cut. Because they need to promote job growth. Right? Maximum employment, lower prices. Or price stability, they call it. which is a load of shit. But that's the dual mandate, guys. So low inflation, lots of jobs. AI is taking everyone's job. I think, AI is probably going to create more jobs than people realize, just like anything. Computers, blah, 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 blah. There's always jobs. We'll see. We will see, right? That's the key. So we can be observers and try to make money off of it either way. Up only price action. Solana, a break of the trend line call last night, guys, at the key level. Oof. Left you guys with that last night. Doing its thing. Ripping to the upside as well. Wait till Solana gets going, guys. You have no idea about face melting rallies. If you want to see a face melting rally machine, I know Solana chart's messy, blah, blah, blah. Solana doesn't stop when it goes. Just saying. When it goes. We could do one of these. What do you think, Piper? We go with a little trend line here. Put a little alert on it. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this on a lot of things right now. If you guys are looking at any macro trades, this one, I think Render's doing one. Render's one. Yeah, here's Render. Render's close. Render's pretty close. That's all I'm going to give you guys because I save this stuff for the Discord mostly. Join the Discord. That's where it's at. Canada launched Terra Trust launched a CADD Canadian pegged stablecoin. Who wants Canadian dollars? It's so bad. It's three American dollars equals 4 Canadian dollars. I guess it's not that bad. That's the simple math. Good to see a Wayne. Wayne, what kind of sandwiches did you get last week, bro? Your wife better be packing you nice sandwiches, or I'm going to have to send her an email or something. Melissa, good to see you. Melissa was here when I had 1 subscriber. Smash the like, triple. Good to see you. David Brumbelow, my man. How you doing? Wayne C, Melissa, Drum, Roth. Good to see you guys. Zelino. When should Bitcoin start selling? Not anytime soon, man. Not anytime soon. Bitcoin has proven time and time again, every time it tries to distribute down, it fails. Join the Discord. It's worth every penny, says One Way. Thank you, One Way. God bless you, bro. I do agree with that statement. You had 10. Okay. We'll just call it you were my 11th subscriber. Okay. Knuckle sandwich. Let's go. Yeah. That's an old school saying, man. I love it. What's going on, Banana? Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. Rashad. TMB Willa, my man. How you doing? I think I sent you a message back. I think you opened up a ticket. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Good morning, Guru. I wish I was a guru. I'm not. Maybe the love guru. Or is that Mark Dutch? Previous year pivot. Flipping it. That was our original target all the way down. Continuation up here. Taking a look, guys. 8:45. Market cipher top-down analysis. What can we see? What are we looking at? Where are we looking to go? How are we looking to get there, everybody? Well, it's pretty simple. We are pushing. This is a very nice rally. Okay, we are coming into key resistance above us right now. Into resistance. Okay, we're hitting that value area low. If we were to pull it from over here into that, $82,000 resistance, into a major resistance, also into our major golden pocket right now. Okay, which is around 84. Yeah, 83, 84, which we're ready for. We're ready. Okay. But we're approaching very key resistance right now. Do we blast through? Is it building up momentum, or are we going to choke, right? Because if we choke, Look at this trigger wave. Okay, that would be disgusting. I'll tell you that. Bull divs, money flow crossover on the weekly. Okay, but if we choke, this would be nasty. Just be aware of that. Okay, always be aware of what's in front of you. Counter trade yourself is the best. VWAP holding the 0 line, money flow increasing on the 3. About to cross over. This is very bullish, looking strong all around. Beautiful, beautiful stochastic. So bullish on the long term. Overextended though. Overextended is kind of the way it goes right now. Failed distribution, right? So we had that failed bearish divergence in here. We can see no bear div, just continuation. So we could still, we could still possibly bear div. We still have a lower high here. However, every time we've tried to, like I said, distribute down, it's failed every time. So strength in the move, continuation up. Don't fade the trend. Join the trend. Wait for pullbacks, right? 12-hour bear div did not play. Trigger wave doing its thing. Up we went. That was a beautiful long yesterday. If you did take the trade with us on the live stream, I mean, I missed it, but a lot of you guys caught it yesterday, which was a perfect retracement continuation trade yesterday. So GG's on that for everybody. 8-hour money flows, so it's rock solid right now. So we were looking at 8-hour money flow, which is something I do tend to look at. And we were making a downtrend. Then we made a higher high, and then we have held the 0 line. So this is bullish. Looking very strong right now on the 8-hour as well. The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. Really the narrative for the day. So overextended on the 4-hour. Obviously, everything is overextended right now. However, it doesn't really matter. We gave the long from here yesterday, if you're wondering, on the live stream, right from the low. So GG's on that. Incredible. That's why I think a lot of people come here, because I have this spoon. If you're new here, if you haven't heard of the spoon, there's a spoon that we have, and the otters are always hungry. Okay. And I just try to deliver every day. That's the only thing I can do, right? They even make silly videos. All right. Love the community, man. You guys are great. Dave Digital, you're an absolute legend. So the 4 hours continuing up here. The 3-hour, same thing. Up only. Defending 0 line. VWAP crossovers are for longing. Okay. Pullback, long. Okay. Holding 0 lines. 2-hour, same thing. Clearly overextended. Doesn't really matter. We're just ramping up, as we can see with money flow. Until we start to see like lower highs on money flow and breaking down, we shouldn't fade this. Pullbacks like this are for longing. Okay, the 1 hour as well. Same, very similar patterns all the way throughout. Okay, money flow steady. VWAPs are for longing. Look, let's do the due diligence here, guys. Okay, VWAPs are for longing. Okay, boop, boop. I can make the noise if you want. Boop, boop, and boop. Right? Very nice. Okay, so continuation upwards. Overextended, yes. Flying. 3 drives, SFP could bring us down. Imbalances down below, so we're looking to come back into here, and come back into here. Is it working? No. So, looking to get to that 83,000. We have a little stop along the way as well, right at 82. And then our major stop around 83 there. So we have a couple levels of resistance. This is our retest of that volume level that we discussed earlier. Okay. So we do have some resistance coming into us right now. So let's be prepared for that. And thank you guys for being here. Good times. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Showing you the entries, saying when I enter, showing you when I enter, yada, yada, yada. No trades right now. Still waiting. Okay. Happy days. cooling off a little bit right now. Order block retest, continuation up. Previous day high. Couple of order blocks down here to come and grab. We'll see. Previous day high and VWAP. That's nice. That's a nice level. You guys should have been longing the crap out of that. And up we go. Up we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Thank you guys for being here. Smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. If you're new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades. This channel also uses Bitunix to trade. We are doing a major mega giveaway Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. $1,500 Wednesday, $1,500 Thursday, and $2,000 Friday. So be there or be square. We have a raffle. All you have to do is use the Bitunix link. Okay, this is like a new, I don't know, it's like some new experimental promotion thing. Okay? It's you get to get free money. That's so it's like lucky draw. You get like this lucky draw thing. And I get to draw from your UID. And you get to make lots of money. Okay? Which is going to be fun. I mean, who doesn't like free money? I don't even know how they did it, but big giveaways. Three yellow Asians up here, yeah. It's consolidating. I do not have teats, no. Spoons in the chat. Let's go. Wick's wife, fine 89. Good to see you, wifey. How you doing? Gang, gang, gang. We don't see enough of these emojis anymore. You guys are not, you know, where's the lurkers who don't say good morning on their wanking chariots? All those people, man. Wick's wife, Curbstar. Thank you, Curbstar, for the kind words. Good morning, Rashad. Hell yeah, good to see you. Yeah. Good afternoon, Hoto. Good morning, Ada Ace. Thank you guys for using the Bitunix link. Signing up with that good stuff there. Sold the left nut so you guys could get free money. And we continue on our merry way. Big giveaways coming up tomorrow. I'm all fresh to doing the giveaways though, so it's going to be probably a gong show doing the giveaway. We'll do it at the end of the stream tomorrow. Maybe we'll do it in the middle. Maybe we just do it at the beginning, get it done with. Right? Or do I make you wait the whole stream? Or do I reward the people who show up early and say good morning? I think I reward the people, right? I mean, you get VIP 3 and all that good stuff. Go over to the Discord. Okay, join the Discord. I think Alexander G has the link for you guys. You go over to the Discord. Look at the good mornings here, man. The best Discord in all of crypto. Oh, man, Crypto Rob. Behave yourself. He's in Thailand. Yeah, it does get a little bit wild here. Good morning, everybody. Look at all the good mornings from the gang. But go over here to your main chat, okay? There's a Bitunix verification right here, guys. Okay, Bitunix verification. You click on the Bitunix thing here. Okay, you put your UID into here. Okay, you go into the Discord. You click Bitunix verification on the main chat. You put your UID into the button. You click the button, Bitunix. Click it. Put your UID in here and submit it. Then you will get tickets for the raffle. And you will be able to win up to $5,000 in the next 3 days. Insane. $1,500, $2,000 this week alone. And an extra $2,000 for the Otter Gang exclusive. Wild. Wild, man. We just be handing out free money. Rotation down. Looking for a little bit of a block test in here. Can we continue? You can go swing low to swing high. This would be an active fib right now, so. VWAP creeping up as well. Not taking that high, though. Leaving liquidity above, which is kind of what it did yesterday, interestingly enough. Good volume on the way up here. ES cooling down a little bit. Look at this thing, man. This is gross. Doesn't care. Does it? Doesn't. NASDAQ flying. NASDAQ flying. Key support. Yeah, NASDAQ doesn't care either. You want to short it, but it's like, why would you short it in this environment? Like, it should come back down and punish everybody, but right now it's like, really? You going to fade this thing? It's up only. Coming back down right now. Pretty choppy up here, though. Look for a return back down to these highs, order block. Into this area in here. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and smashing that button. 333 people in here. God bless you guys. Been trying to get short for 5 days. Getting wrecked. Can I check Solana? Solana is flying, man. Solana, just don't care. Yeah, 85.40. 85.40 is another key level resistance. Breakout, retest, continuation trade here on Solana into resistance. Very simple. Right? Pullbacks, same thing, are for buying. Right? You're looking for this. Resistance right here, right in your face. So patience, my friend. But looking very strong here on Solana as well. Jeez. Are we getting dominance rotation? Dominance is still rising, which is interesting. So our altcoins still haven't, the altcoins still haven't even had a run, guys. You haven't even seen the rotation yet. 62 is kind of the level, okay. Look at dominance right now, guys. This is very healthy. You want to see dominance go up before it goes down, right? Dominance peaks and then it drops. Rotation into altcoins. You're literally just waiting for this to break. You could even set an alert. Everything's up about 2%. You have runners, right? Like, look, Link is getting a little bit of a run today. Hype. Pengu is ripping, right? Pengu is ripping right now. There's rotation. Algorand. Up 8%. ENA. ENA. Trade given in advance in our Discord last night by Wave Cipher. See? I mean, the membership pays for itself, in my opinion. If you get the membership, I mean, there's so much spoon feeding going on. It's ridiculous. Setups, signals. Then you get all the strategies. You get 150 videos. The Discord will tell you about the Discord. I mean, I really don't need to sell it. It's fucking incredible. If you apply yourself. I mean, if you want easy peasy lemon squeezy, it's pretty easy, but it's also like, come on, man, do something for yourself. Be disciplined. I think a lot of the traders like who don't succeed are just greedy, man. You want it quick. It's not trading, man. Be the turtle, as CryptoFace told me. Be the turtle. If you can be the turtle, you can slowly but surely implement, strategy, risk management, learn how to click the button correctly. All those things. It's very important. It's called experience. I was not able to drive a 3.5-inch spike as a carpenter in 2 shots for a while, consistently, right? Consistently. Form ply, you got a 3.5-inch spike on a 4x4 and you're trying to toenail this thing, right? You're trying to drive your nail properly. Double header, big double decker, 3.5-inch spike on a proper angle in 2 shots. Okay, not many people can do it, especially when you're 5'4" and 140 pounds soaking wet. That's me. But I could do it because practice and hammer strength. I swung 22-ounce hammer though. I swung a big dirty, right? Here's that sweep of that high. 2 shots, baby. You set it, bang, bang. Set it, bang, bang. That's how I used to roll, man, all day. This is crazy. Let's go. Let's go, Biddy. 0 drawdown. Just ripping, melting faces this morning, everybody. Let's go. Discord membership is a tax write-off. This is true as well. Yeah, exactly. Among all the YouTube trader analysis, this man is the only one showing his real-time trades. So hilarious, claiming their analysis is correct, telling... That's it, man. I don't take a trade and then, I appreciate that comment. That means a lot to me, Jules, because, I'm trying to make crypto honest again. It's not. It's fucking hard. I don't come onto a stream in a trade. I think I've done that 3 times in my life, and it's, right when the stream starts. And be like, look, I'm up $1,000. Fuck off. Sorry, but, why don't you trade with the people? I'm just a trader like you guys. I'm trying to click a couple buttons, trying to make my money, manage my risk. But that does mean a lot to me because I've been doing it like this every day for 2 years now. Live, showing everybody. And that's the thing. There's exchanges out there that will give people free money to trade with, right? I deposit my money into the bank and I show everybody that as well. Right? Slow and steady. It is possible, but slow and steady. Retest continuation halfway down the candle, pushing. Yeah, we're going to 82, man. 82 is a very critical volume resistance area. We're tapping into it right now, though. If macro volume is like this, guys. So we have this big spike of volume in here. Right? So we are entering into that volume right now, which is why there will be turbulence even with strong volume into it. But hey, it's going to need a hell of a push to get through here if it's going to do it. And it looks like we are getting a hell of a push right now. So the high has been taken. I see a bunch of longs trapped coming into this is, to me, it's not necessarily a trap because it's been up only, so it's not really a trap. However, we're coming at 10 a.m. we have Jolt's job openings, which is important data, let's put it that way, which would be a perfect opportunity for the market maker to slam it before sending it higher. That's my only take. Okay. So we do have good old jolts coming in. Okay, we have that here at 10 a.m. So don't get married to the long. I salute you for getting long. The long for me was here right when we started the stream on this pullback, higher low, doji engulfing continuation. I failed to execute because we were starting the stream, which is fine. This consolidation was not tradable in my opinion. Up we go. You called 82 a few weeks ago. That's the way. Those deciding to not be turtle-ish are gambling, and I encourage anyone not doing well in their career to be honest with themselves. Lower size. That's it. It takes a disciplined and real person to look at themselves in the mirror, look at their trading, say, hey, what am I doing wrong? Right? And how can I be better? And make the adjustments necessary. Don't keep repeating the same insane behaviors around your trading. It's not gonna work. You're chasing, right? You're in a casino then. I'm not a gambler. I'm very fortunate that I do not have that bone in my body. I mean, I went to play blackjack with Crypto Face for a couple hours. I didn't touch a slot. I didn't touch another table. I don't go and do it by myself. I wasn't, it's not for me, man. Never has been. Doesn't really. You sit there and you just watch your money melt. You're clicking a button. Click, click. I like poker with friends and stuff like that. Texas Hold'em. But this is crazy. Beautiful push here, guys. Beautiful push. Soy el boy Lana. Oh shit, soy el boy Lana. How about that? How about that on Soy Boy? I said when it goes, man. See ya. See ya. I gave the long from here last night. Just saying. I'm not tooting my horn. But holy smokes, Batman. Here we go. Go, Bitcoin. Be free. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. This is great, man. Let's pump it for you guys. Are we going to top blast? Bitcoin to the moon. Gang, gang. Otter's in the chat, baby. Re-identify as pre-rich. Bump it. Top blast. Everybody wants top blast. Everybody loves this song. This is the fan favorite. Otter gang, gang, top blasting, baby. You can't hear it?
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved.
I'm gonna go get a coffee.
Big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just mark it on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top left in the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an independent, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V whap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to Dan. That's the plan, but top loss and trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop.
Earlier.
I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest so the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop.
We're back.
Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show.
Look how yellow my teeth are, man. AI did me dirty.
Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top left in the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an independent, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V whap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to Dan. That's the plan, but top loss and trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
Wow. Flying. Wild pump, guys. This is awesome. Squeezing today, baby. Squeezing today. Nice push. Congrats on your longs, everybody. Very nice. Very, very nice. Love seeing you guys win. Keep it up. No trades right now. Still waiting. We'll see where we get to today, man. This has been a hell of a push coming into market open. Quarter 2 market open. Solana ripping. Bitcoin ripping. NASDAQ pushing as well. ES pushing up as well. So we're looking for a gap up today on the SPY. Okay, left us with a symmetrical triangle yesterday. So expect a gap up here somewhere. We'll see where we get to if we break this resistance or not. That'll be interesting. Bitcoin continues to push. Solana continues to push. Looking very strong right now. Coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out. 360 people in here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget to smash that like button. I appreciate it. We've been away for a week at the Vegas conference, watching everybody cry. And now we can see that, you know, everybody's pumping the price after the conference. Conference dump is typical. We didn't really get a dump, but we, you know, it wasn't pretty. FOMC price action. Okay, overextended, continuation down right now. Like this order block on Solana. If we can come down into this block, might consider a long here. Cooling off into market open. Ethereum flying as well, coming into our key resistance as well. So Solana. Oil's dumping, which is a good sign. Oil's rotating down here into the $100 level. Lower highs. Very good. NASDAQ continues to rip. I mean, retest to previous highs on NASDAQ would be ideal as well. But, I mean, it's just doing its thing, man. Solana, sweep and bounce. Sweep and bounce, continuation. Yeah. It's not low enough, in my opinion. We'd like to see lower. Zero F's given, though. This thing is flying. This thing is flying. There we go. There's some violence. Come on, baby. Come back down. Come down to Papa O. Solana's catching quite the bid here. NASDAQ double top into market open. Imbalance down here. Like clearly wants to come into this zone here. Still no trade. Considering a long maybe down into here, depending on how we come into market open. Key resistance for Solana as well, red line. Order block down here. Very overextended over here, though, on Solana. A very aggressive push-up. Bitcoin's been laddering a little bit better. We'll see. Congrats on your longs, guys. When you entering, when my rules and my criteria and my analysis make sense to enter. Alex, why haven't you entered? What setup are you waiting for? So for me right now, it's up only price action. So up only rules suggest that I should be looking for a retest into the imbalance in here depending on price action, right? So I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. Okay, with strategy. Okay, I would like to get long, but I'm also aware how overextended we are. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Okay. The long this morning was here. This was where I should have executed a long. It was right as stream started, so I failed to do so, which is fine. I had to let it run. That's just me. To be entering here is not... It's stupid, in my opinion. Right? You're just giving it back. So I'm looking for order block retests, imbalance retests, higher highs, higher lows, continuation out. Solana does look better here for the retracement. Bitcoin looks strong. Coming right into market open, though, so... I would like lower on Solana. 85.70 ish. 85.70 ish. Bitcoin still battling here. That's a good candle on the 1 minute. I still like lower. No trade here. I like Solana down here. Considering a long on Sol. Okay, I'm long Solana. Pretty cheap trade. See if we can get follow through up into the halfway mark here. Stop loss just below. Look for follow through continuation here. Dick for a tick, man. Let's get going. Gotta go, Bitcoin. Gotta go, Bitcoin. Push. Bearish divergence on Bitcoin. No push. I should have waited for lower. Nope. I'm out. Trailing this candle. Nasdaq still rolling over. No follow through on Solana. Seven minutes till market open. Gotta go here, Bitcoin. Come on. Might slap and go here. Gotta go. Come on, Biddy. Push. Biddy's got to push. Come on, Bitcoin. Nasdaq's got to bounce. Bitcoin's got to push. No follow through on Bitcoin. Let's go, Biddy. Anytime now. Poor follow through. No follow through. I'm going to cut that there. Stopped out. On to the next one. No follow through on Bitcoin. Let's see where Solana goes here. I did like lower. Stopped out. Just looking for follow through continuation here. 500 total with fees, which is fine. Solana Looking for follow through continuation. Good close. I'm not mad about that. Good close. That would have been, $1,000 if I had fees there. Yeah, good close. I'm happy about that close. Good risk management. On to the next one. Coming into market open, we got 5 minutes now. That's all right. I mean, it's the price you pay to participate in up only, right? Like, you can wait for the pullback as much as you want, or you can try to, I liked the momentum here. I'm not too mad about that. I said I wanted to wait for here, which I probably should have. Looking at patience-wise, order block tap, continuation up. But I liked Bitcoin. I liked Bitcoin here. Bitcoin looks strong. Doji engulfing continuation trade here, right? SFP of the low. Order block tap for Biddy. Solana still has imbalance down here. Good discipline. I'm not too mad about that one. Sometimes you hit those ones and they run. Sometimes you hit those ones and they come back. As long as you're, in my opinion, as long as you're cheap. That's key. You got to be cheap. You can't be trying to hit the home run here, right? And I got out here instead of at the low, right? So like I was good recognition. I got out up here rather than down here, which saved me another, $300-400, which is good. Dumping into open here, trapping all the traders, coming back in. We'll see where we get to next. Why is nobody talking about false move Monday today? It's kind of a mixed bag. Orb. Slapping that view up. Yeah, we hope we can come down here. That would be good, Django. But then we would break uptrending momentum here. NASDAQ pushing back here. So this is strength in the NASDAQ. Overextended in here. Biddy coming back here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream. 390 people. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Down 500 to start the day, which is cool. We'll see if we can catch something else. Happy days, man. Haven't traded Solana in a while. Damn, she moves. Bitcoin popping up. Late shorts. Late shorts on Biddy. Late shorts on Bitcoin. Coming into market open. Here we go. Down a clean 500 today. Is it Tuesdays we go live trading in the Discord as well? I think we do. Don't we do Tuesdays, Thursday, Friday? So we continue in the Discord, right? I'm pretty sure we do. Good times. Hit that like button, folks. Yeah, if we could get to 200 likes, man, that would be much appreciated. Market is open. Let's go, baby. Big gap up. Big gap up. Big gap up for SPY above the trend line. Ripping. This is looking bullish, baby. Let's go. NASDAQ ripping. Solana flat. Bitcoin down. Bitcoin down. Coming down. SPY flying. NASDAQ flying. Trying to push here. Can we get going? Bitcoin trying to push up. No follow through yet. Solana in a buy level. Potential for push up here. Still no strength. Solana looking pretty weak here. Bitcoin coming back down. No follow through here. Need a bounce. No bounce on Biddy. Solana maybe bounce? No. Still looking weak. SPY. Exhaustion. NASDAQ. Exhaustion. Very volatile open here, guys. Thank you guys for being on the live. We'll see if we do continue to go here. Oops, Solana's looking bullish here. Might hammer along. Might have to hammer along. Considering along. Bitcoin's got to push. Yeah, let's go, baby. Push in, Ambi. NASDAQ. Continuation? No. Bitcoin? Nope, not yet. Gotta go here, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Biddy. Push. One minute. Poor follow through. No follow through here on Bitcoin. No long. Still waiting. Solana looks like it wants to pop, but let's go. We're long Solana. I'll bring the stop to entry there. Stopped out. Stopped out, break even trade. Stopped out, break even trade. Looking for follow through here on Solana. $24. Break even trade. Just seeing if we were going to pop there. NASDAQ's popping off. NASDAQ showing a lot of strength here. Coming back down here. Bitcoin might need to sweep into here first. Good break-even trade. Still waiting here. NASDAQ doesn't care, man. Almost 20. Sheesh. So wild. SPY flying. Biddy looks like it needs to slap down here. Don't do it, bro. Break even trade. Thank you for liking the stream, guys. 401 people in here, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. God bless. Smash those like buttons, please, guys. We're going to do a huge giveaway for the Bitunix link in the description here. Okay, we got $1,500 to give away tomorrow, Thursday, and $2,000 Friday. All you have to do is use that link. We're going to do some tickets and some raffle so everybody can get some free money. That's it, man. Big $5,000 giveaway the next 3 days. All you have to do is use the Bitunix link, go over to the Discord, and sign up with your UID. That's it. And you get, we're going to do 5,000 Bitunix verification. Go over here, click the button, you're good to go. If you want to join. If not, whatever. Free money for the Discord. The Discord is going to take all the money anyways, I hope. But you get to enter, and $5,000 worth of giveaways, which is, can be life-changing if used correctly. I wish I could win back in the day. NASDAQ does not care, guys. Oh, man. This is wild, man. This is trillions of dollars, guys. Just ripping. Face melting, ripping to the upside, man. Face melting. Bitcoin flat. Bitcoin already melted faces. Now it's just hanging out, man. Leave it to the NASDAQ. Hold my beer, right? Holy smokes. Oil rotating down. SPY flying. Big gap for the SPY today. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. Flat as ever. Some weird price action on the open for Bitcoin, man. It's like Asia just pumps its bags, and then it F's off on New York. So weird. So weird. Free talk codes in the Discord. Yeah. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Free tacos. Copy trading on YouTube. If you don't know, Alex's nonverbal signals is not suggested. Exactly. There's a big delay. Yeah. You can do whatever you want to do, man. But copy trading is not. I think if everybody comes here to talk through, like we talk you guys through the idea, the setups, the areas. You can trade it however the hell you want, man. This is never financial advice. I ain't your dad. This is absolutely grim. This is grim this morning. SPY. Okay, here we go. A little rejection here coming down. Bumping its head. Bearish divergence. Rotation. Rotation down. Discord live trading after this. Jump right into Discord after this and continue with no delay. With no delay, but still not your dad. SPY showing a little bit of exhaustion right now. ETH retest to previous highs. Same with Biddy here. Retest to previous highs. It's a lot nicer on the 12-minute, isn't it, everybody? Doji engulfing, continuation down. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Beautiful. Into order block. Solana Coming back down. Bitcoin. Sheesh. Order block tap. We're actually going to have a decent orb today, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Coming back for all those late longs. Wild. Wild. Nice dump here. Very nice. NASDAQ. Still ripping. Biddy bounce. Biddy bounce. Still no trade here, guys. Still waiting. Still waiting. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. That's a pretty nice trend line. We can say that, right? We can say that's a nice trend line. No strength yet. Coming back down for late longs. NASDAQ still flying. SPY pushing back again. Solana looking to bounce as well. See how we react at these lows here. Nice rollover for Bitcoin. Still no trade. See how we react down here. NASDAQ cooling off. SPY consolidation. Bitcoin order block tap continuation down. Soy Boy Lana trying to bottom here. Considering a long on Solana. Not ready yet. Bitcoin. No strength yet. NASDAQ cooling off. Bitcoin still flat. Bitcoin's got to get going here. Considering this here, something like this. NASDAQ still showing strength. It's got to keep going though. SPY's flat. It's got to keep pushing. Even a retest up into here. This could be a nice one-to-one cheap trade. Yeah, let's give it a whirl. Look for a little pushback. I'll be mostly out if we push back. Push. A little bit more. All right, we set up. Looking for a little pushback into these lows here. Go on. Go on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Don't be a dick for a tick. Come on. Push. Push, you namby-pamby. Come on. Thank you. Stop loss to entry. Leave it to run, baby. GG's in the chat. We back. Good bottoming structure there. Spoon fed. Coming up to key resistance here. Nice little trade. Didn't hammer it, but you know, good little position size here. Don't be a dick for a tick, AlexOCrypto. Take that off. Did it not fill me there? Dave, insert rude comment about fill me. Fill me, baby. There we go. We're filled. Let's go. GG's, baby. On to the next one. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long, baby. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. You got spoon feed, V volume crossover, momentum wave to the upside, guys, at a key area, right? We got key support, we got spoon feed, we got crossover, and we have a bullish NASDAQ and an uptrend, guys. It's all there. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Good trade. GG's in the chat, everybody. Woo woo. Let's go, baby. Pump it. Now we just let it run. Now we just let it run. You said I ain't your dad. That's it, man. Well, we know everybody's coming here to click buttons, so. Orb is in. Okay, so we're still down. We're still down 300, which is fine. I don't mind 300 down. That's very easily recoverable. Is that a word? Recoverable. All right. We got the runner on Solana now. This is happy days. Got NASDAQ. Doesn't give a shit about anybody. Just pumping. SPY, just pumping. Bitcoin, just pumping. Key resistance up here at 80, 82. All right. Solana's gonzo. And the gang's winning, man. That's all that matters. We all winning. We all happy. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 415 people on the live stream. Only 187 likes, man. I ask you guys to get me to 200. That's always a goal, if you guys wouldn't mind. If you're finding any value in here. I mean, come on. Come on, baby. The spoons are out. The gang is here. I mean, look at that trade, guys. You guys want more from me? I don't know what the fuck you want. Now I'm swearing. Where's my swear jar? I'm going to have to give the Discord more money. I know I've sworn twice today at minimum, so we'll bring that up there. There we go. Merry Christmas. Please text me your entries and exits before you take. Dusty, I got you on speed dial, bro. I don't know how you didn't get the message. I don't know how you didn't get the message. I gotta call the. This is funny. I gotta call in 10 minutes. I gotta call the golf place at 10 o'clock because I gotta book my tee time for Friday, and it doesn't open until 8 a.m. this morning. And there's a whole bunch of old wankers who want to get my tee time. I want to golf at 3 on Friday, and they're trying to mess with me, man. So I'm going to call and get in before the old people. Those retirees trying to take my slot, you know? Twilight round? No, not in Alberta, man. Alberta's it's bright outside until about 9 o'clock in Alberta because we're in the northern hemisphere. Right? Front runs the elderly. That's the one, man. Fuck no. Respect your elders, man. An old Hells Angels guy told me it's how you treat animals, children, and the elderly, man. That defines your character. How do you treat those animals, the elderly, and children? How respectful and kind are you to those people? Old biker told me that. He's like, always respect those things, and God will protect you. I'm like, okay, I ain't gonna argue with you, man. You look scary as fuck. And it's proven to be very, very useful. Guys, I don't know what to say, man. I've spoon-fed you. I'm gonna call the golf place. Right now, I'm just letting this thing run. I'll take a little bit more off there. 280 realized now. 280 realized. Let it run. We'll see if we get like a little retracement we can potentially add. Bitcoin breakout continuation here. Reclaim of orb looking strong. NASDAQ. NASDAQ's retarded. Oh, man. Okay. NASDAQ don't care. Erythrium is looking okay too. Oh yeah, altcoins are going for a little run. Sui's looking strong. Sweet. Whoa. My mouse just went crazy. We could be looking for something like this, guys. Like, as much as I hate a flag, we are coming in, like I said at the beginning of the stream with the top down, we are coming into heavy volume resistance right now on the macro. So it's gonna take some oomph to get going here. It might even take something like stupid like this. Failed or breakouts, typically bearish. Thanks, Alex. Have a great morning, gang. Thank you, Mr. Market Maker. Fake move, now dump. Hey, man, as long as we've all, as long as we're all printing. Happy days. Amen. That's it. Very real. Front running the elderly. That's my oh man. I slid that stop loss up. Probably gonna get stopped out here. No problem. I'd rather re-enter. I've taken my money and kind of ran. Right? Happy days. 280 in the bank. Right? There we go. Fuck yeah. Good job, everybody. GG's. On to the next one. Great trade. See, it would be a much steeper hole if I got stopped out here for $1,000 rather than 500. It would have been a lot more challenging. Let's put it that way. Of a day for me. I mean, I battle back pretty good. I can scalp my way back into profits or break even pretty good. I do have rules around that, so I don't revenge trade. I have a 2 loss limit rule. So I do implement rules to kind of stop myself from over trading, but I also give myself the opportunity to try and take high probable setups over and over again to try and get back to break even. But I have a strict loss rule when I'm in that situation. So if I get into over $1,500 worth of drawdown for the day, I'm allowed to battle back, but I'm only allowed to lose 2 more times. And that's with generally it's like a $500 risk to $500 stop loss generally, but I have rules around it. So if I do, take a couple more losses and I'm down whatever 17, $2,000 for the day, I'm done kind of deal. Which is hard to do sometimes. I know a lot of people, once you start losing, you're like, oh man, if I just take this trade or if I just did this. Be able to lose, being a good loser is a very, very good skill to have in this game because it is violent and it will punish you. And it waits for you to get into tilt and it waits for you to get into that mindset of, oh, I got to make that back. And when you don't make that back, you end up giving it all away. And that's what breaks a lot of traders. So you must implement strategy and rules around your trading when you are having a bad day. Because you're going to have bad days. Just don't make them horrible. Okay? At the end of the day, we're here to take high probability trade setups over and over again. A good win rate is 70, 60%. That means you're losing 40% of the time, guys. That's very important to understand. If you're not losing, you're doing something wrong. Isn't that weird? If you're not losing, you're doing something wrong. That means you're moving your stop loss. You're adding to losers. You're holding positions that you shouldn't. You don't have invalidation. This is what wrecks people. It's not about fucking strategy. It's about you. I'm calling you out because I know you who are listening. This is your fucking problem. Right? I don't have that problem because I learned my lesson by losing a lot of money. I'm just trying to help you. Okay? I'm just trying to help you. I'm a front run these guys, man. Should I put on speaker?
Thank you for calling the Ken. Trying to reach, please dial it now or listen carefully to the following options.
Let me put on my nice white man voice. Watch this.
Good morning, AlexOCrypto speaking.
Hi, good morning. I'm just calling to book a tea time for Friday. I was told I have to call in the morning to book it, so here I am. I'm early. I'm trying to front run all the other people, you know?
Yeah, we start right at 8 o'clock, so you're about 45 seconds away. Put you in.
Could I get 3 o'clock for Friday?
Right now for Friday, how many players?
Just me, single.
Just yourself.
I mean, I'll go. I'd prefer earlier, like 10 or 11, but that's
right
fine.
Now, the earliest I can get you out is 4:10.
4:10.
Yeah.
Oh man. Well, I guess we'll have to do 4:10 and then drive really fast.
Could I get your first name?
It's Alex.
Sorry, Alex?
Yes, Alex. Yeah, that's it. Mm-hmm.
You are Alex.
Perfect.
For Friday.
Thank you so much. Look forward to it.
We'll see you then.
Have a wonderful day. Fuck yeah. Dude, it booked up quick. I couldn't even get 3, 4, 10. I'm golfing late on Friday, guys. Holy smokes. And yes, I did mute my microphone because you're not going to know my email and credit card information. And my last name is Crypto. My name is Lord Otter King Beaver. I identify as profitable. Oh man, I should have given him the whole spiel, but guys, I can't do that, man. Not with my not with the locals. All right, Bitcoin holding lower orb, trying to push here. Battle of the best. Can we get NASDAQ still ripping? Yep. NASDAQ still ripping. SPY. Happy as can be. ETH trying to hold this high here. Still seems like a trap. The way we've come down into here. Very aggressive, guys. Not ideal the way we've rolled over here. We are retesting previous highs. So this is kind of like a make or break area. We are holding the uptrending momentum. We could be long here. I'm not taking another stab here. I would want to see. I would like to see a failed orb breakdown, something like this. Or I would like to see, because halfway down the candle here, we should be looking to short right now, in general. You can see the exhaustion in the lows here, so for me, it's a little bit of patience right now. Don't want to be like I don't want to be too jumpy with it right now. We've taken 3 trades on the live stream. Down, what are we down? 200 now, so we lost 500 here. Break even. Made 300. Okay. So we're back. Great trade. Everybody got that Solana long up from here. 0 drawdown. Beautiful trade. Great trade, everybody. So now we try to continue. We'll see where we get to. NASDAQ doesn't give 2 smacks. A little bit of exhaustion up at the highs here, but still, yeah, I mean, just melting faces, really. Looking for that breakout. We're coming into key resistance here on Bitcoin. However, resistance has just been smashed lately. Anytime we've tried to distribute down, we have this simply continued up. Okay, so up only. Rules apply. We'll see if it does want to continue here. Defending this beautiful trend line, looking to push up. We'll see what we get, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. 420 people. We're on the live. You don't have to announce your departure. What do you mean? Are you already live? Did you go live? I'm a professional lip reader. AlexOCrypto's name is McNuggets. Oh, yeah, man. McLovin. So what do we get for the jobs, guys? 6.8. Okay, that's above. That's above expectations, Piper. What's going on, man? I thought this would be more brutal than expected. This is bullish, man. This is bullish in my opinion. We still got jobs. Supposedly. There's probably government jobs, let's be real, but you know, it's jobs. It is jobs. So we're not gonna fight the Fed. We know that all the numbers are fugazi anyways, so they are all fugazi. Jason Casper's live right now. Man, all the legends are live right now. I'm just here plebbing away, man. Plebbing away. Last month's got revised up. No way, that's bullish. That is bullish. Up we go. Up we go, man. Fun stream, guys. Really fun stream. Guys, like, subscribe. Join Bitunix. Big giveaways coming up. Good fun. 3 trades. Jumping into the Discord now. The best Discord in all of crypto. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.